Hello everyone, welcome back to Heriat channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Google site uh, to other people or certain people using app script Google. By doing this, we can manage the members. For example, if we have a class training or training class, we can add the members of the class with the editor access. Uh, we can add the member from Google Sheet by email address, or we can add the members of editor Google site from Google Form. Uh, but in this way, I'm going to demonstrate using a Google Sheet to add the email address, become ad editor of Google Sites. Okay, the first thing we should do is we create a Google site uh, like this. Uh, we can use the Google site for manage the training or seminar or webinar, and we can publish it, and we can share with others, and we can restrict it uh, people. Only people edit can open with this link. By doing this, everyone cannot open or see the Google site because we restrict it. I will copy the link and I paste in a certain account, and I hit enter, so we can not access. Yes, because the access is rejected. We have no access to Google site because we restricted um, the sharing option. Restricted, only people edit can open with this link. Okay, here we can uh, create uh, Google site beautifully, or we can choose uh, image, document, or others. We can add pages or so on, and the editor that we have edit here, they can uh, add by their select the page for their select task or assignment or project. That's why I create this tutorial. Okay, to practice it, we can start now. After we create Google site, we can see, or we can create a Google Sheet to type the member, uh, the email address from column A, uh, first row until last row, and we can rename the sheet by email. Okay, after we can create Google Sheet, we can go to main extension menu. We create app script. We click it, and we can now uh, see the edit script. We can type the script like this. Please study the script more. Uh, we name the function editor sites. We can looking for email address variable I uh, from the second row until the fifth row. We can get the email address from here. Okay. We can create email variable spreadsheet apps, get active spreadsheet, get sheet name. We can get the name sheet email and get rank I, comma, column one, get value. We can create site ID variable, drive app get file by ID. We can get the ID Google site by copy the ID from here after D until here. Okay, we can uh, take the ID and copy, and we can paste here. Control V. Okay. After that, we can refer site ID at editor email refer with this variable. Can save. Um, we can run it. Okay. Before I run the code or the script here in Google Site, we can see there are no members or there are no editor. Uh, okay, there are no editor in the share button here. And now let's see. Please attention. I will run the script. Okay, I will click on here. Execution started. Execution completed. Okay, we can see in Google Site share with other button. Now we can see there are one, two, three, four editors. Uh, okay, and I will prove in one uh, account of editor this email address. I will see in here in Google Drive. We can check it in share with me folder. We can we can see can refresh there is a new file Google site. Okay, we can open it. We can edit the content, and we can insert new page. We can edit with other account, I mean email address, and we can insert something, picture, image, or document. We can add page, and we new member page. The new page for every member, so the member can fill the page with the for their task or for their project or assignment from us. Okay, and here, okay, uh, after we add editor, we can remove the editor if the class is uh, ends. So the member will be expired for several time or several period or certain period. After the certain time or period, we can remove from the editor because the class has ended. The class is over, and we can delete the editor automatically by using the script. Okay, we can create new script, remove editor. This is the function remove editor site. We can change the add editor by typing remove editor using email address. Okay, and we can uh, use triggers to automate the script or the process to execute the code. The remove editor script pro we can choose time driven. We can choose specific date. We can enter the year, month, and time. Maybe I will practice. Okay, here the trigger using time. Okay, we save. So 13 me 13 47 now, and 13:48 the script will run automatically. Okay, we wait, and here there are still some editor. By doing this, we can close the class automatically if the class is ending, or, or, or the membership was deleted, and we can use the the Google Site training class with new member or new class. So the Google Site can we can use many times. Okay. After that, we can make a copy the site for archive. Okay, we can see here share with other button. There are automatically now editor because we uh, create trigger to automate the script remove editor by time or specific time. Okay, I think it's enough. Uh, I'm sorry for the language. My English is very was bad because uh, I cannot speak English well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye.